through a few times with no music or sound in it. I will mute any other soundtracks and just go through it and really think about what you would be hearing when you're seeing those visuals. Maybe you're on a beach, there might be some waves or some seagulls or some people talking. These are all things that we can add in with these sound effects. I think a key point of this is layering sound effects is going to make a much more believable and dynamic sound. If you're on that beach, maybe it's not only just that one wave that your video is of and just one wave crashing sound. Maybe you want some ambience, maybe you want some soft wind noise. All of these sounds layered on top of each other are going to give a much more full and rounded sounding sound effects pack in that video. It's key that when you are adding your sound effects that they're not too overpowering. The idea is not to make the viewer notice those sound effects